Hi and happy Monday. My name is Maren Steiner and I live in Hermosa Beach, California, where it's been a pretty fabulous Monday here. This is like my sixth course with Joanne, previous ones being General Chemistry 1 and 2, Anatomy, Physiology, and Organic Chemistry. Thus far, I've had really great experiences here, and it's been a while since I've taken Algebra, so I confess to be a little bit terrified of this course, and I saved it as one of the last ones for me to take. This past year has been a crazy one for me. Did a complete shift in my life, like many of you, I'm sure, have. Graduated with a degree in communications way back in 2004 and have been planning, building, and staffing medical centers for huge music festivals all over the world since then. This is a career that I thought could survive anything because who would stop going to concerts? Well, that obviously happened because of COVID, but the work is slowly starting to come back now. It's easy to laugh about what happened now, as I've had a year to come to deal with it and slowly digging myself out of that. But doing what you all you know how to do for a decade, it was difficult. But I did become tired of all the travel and waking up in a different city and wondering where I was in. So, I think this is the best thing for me. During that time, I became a huge advocate for drug education after losing young people to very avoidable drug overdoses. And in 2019, I applied for a master's in public health program with an emphasis in community health at Tulane University in New Orleans and was accepted. I'm working on my MPH now and also working on prerequisites, having really to take all my sciences and this math course over again from when I did it back in college because it's been so long. Since I've had a lot of free time in my hands over the past year, I've been doing all of these science prerequisites. I've also been volunteering in my local hospital, which has been very eye-opening experience getting to see COVID from a first-hand perspective. So I'm almost done with all these courses and also just applied to PA school a couple months ago, still waiting on hearing back, so I'm very hopeful. I'm definitely an older student, which has its positives and its negatives for sure. But I'm a much better student now than I was originally in college. I definitely have a lot more focus and a lot more dedicated to what I'm doing. There's also so many amazing resources out there that didn't exist when I was going to university. So during most of my classes, when I'm not able to understand something, I can just hop on YouTube, type in the subject, and literally get hundreds of videos that will break it down with pictures and videos, and it just becomes so much easier to learn this way. I believe strongly in YouTube videos, and the amount of time I devote to my schoolwork has really made me successful in the classes I've taken thus far. While life isn't always the most exciting for me, I have a dog named Dr. Bailey. She's the love of my life. We're the best of friends and have many adventures. She's right here next to me. And she graduated from dog school, so I'm very proud of her for that. So I'm looking forward to working with all of you this semester. And if there's a group me or anything, I would love to join. Thank you.